Hello and welcome to the auction of the Ampex Corporation Model 351 magnetic tape recorder for 1/4-inch tape, 2 tracks, 1 direction, stereo. I have an MRL tape on the machine right now, and I'm going to run through the frequencies at standard level to give you an idea of the calibration that this machine is currently set in. This is 1 kilohertz standard level.
(500 Hz at 0 decibels). Set gain for azimuth and frequency response calibration. (8 kilohertz coarse azimuth set). (16 kilohertz fine azimuth set).
Can't help but have a little bit of dirt on the tape. That would be the jitter in the needle. Now some of these tones are a little long, so I'm going to skip through the
Frequency
scan. Okay, here we are ready to do a scan through the frequencies.
125 Hz. (250 Hz). (500 Hz). (1 kilohertz).
As you can see, standard level is referenced just a hair above the number 10 mark on the playback levels. On the control on the right.
2 kilohertz. (4 kilohertz).
Okay, I'm going to stop it there. I'm going to switch tapes, and you can listen to music. We've heard the frequencies above 4,000 at the beginning of this tape. I'm going to switch tapes, and we can listen to a live recording I made on this machine. Okay, we're back again. And I'm about to play a program for you that was recorded on this very machine, on that very piano. Now, this is the beginning of the tape. The music actually doesn't start till beyond the leader, but I wanted to show you some of the functions like fast forward. So if you pull open the door and fast forward a little bit, that's tones on the leader there. The next leader should be correct. Always rock this machine back and forth before you click stop. Rock it back, fast forward, rewind, before you find your spot. Now that's the spot we want. So I'm going to rewind it a little bit. Again, not going to hit just stop immediately. Rock it with fast forward and then stop. Close the door. Play. has had all of its tubes checked. Where bad tubes were present, they were replaced with good, tested on a TV7-A tube tester. Only the best. You can see some of the equipment that was used to calibrate the machine, the oscilloscope, our RMS meter. And down below, we have the lids for the travel cases. All in very nice shape, I might add. I'll show a shot of the back of the electronics later in the video. This machine was kept in a home. It was used for production, but it's been well cared for all of its life. I'll show a shot of the heads and the condition of them later also. They're in very good condition. It's all original, and it is working well. Here comes another track. The lamps, the bulbs inside the meters were all replaced. Even the glass on the inside and out was cleaned. It looks really sharp. Included with this machine are both of those Ampex reel hold downs. Original, very hard to find. You can see again, it's in very clean condition. This take-up reel will be included. Well, I'm going to stop us there and head to the back of the electronics. Here we have a shot of the tubes. Again, all in good, very good tested condition. As you can see, the cables, all cables connect to the transport box and fit inside the cubby hole, except for the cables I have here monitoring the sound and providing inputs from my oscilloscope frequency generator. Very clean. As clean as can be anyway for a 50-something-year-old machine. They just come right back and start up. Okay, let's run to the front of the machine to view the heads. Before we get to the heads, I just want to show this cubby hole, which is where all the wires fit into for ease of transport. All the wires tuck into there, door closes, you're ready to go. It is never easy to show the condition of heads. These are in very good shape. They have some wear, but overall they are in excellent shape. They will make excellent recordings. I'm using a flashlight to try to help show the condition, but it's going to be difficult, and I hope this gives you a pretty good representation of what condition they are in. Well, there you have it. I might also add that the corks on top of the platters here are brand new, replaced, made especially for Ampex 351 machines. Again, the take-up reel is included, as are those two reel hold downs. The case is very nice, not in perfect condition. You could see some of the flaws on the surface areas, but they've kept the machine in excellent condition all these years through its well-cared use. Enjoy!